Welcome everyone to Balance by Megan. I'm Megan. Today I am taking you through a yoga tutorial for how to do Warrior Two pose. So grab your mat and let's create balance in your life. Okay friends, let's begin in our downward facing dog. So coming onto your hands and your knees, curl the toes underneath, lift the hips up high, downward facing dog. Beautiful. Finding any sort of movement that feels good to you here. Let me pull my hair out of the way. Then from downward facing dog, anchor that left heel down towards the ground. And on an inhale, slide that right leg behind you. As you exhale, I want you just to hug that knee into your chest, into center, and place it at the top of your mat. So here we go. You're going to pivot that back foot down. So you want the long edges of your feet to match with the short edge of the mat. And you want to come into heel to arch alignment. When you feel strong, press down through your feet and come on up, reaching the arms shoulder height distance. Pull the pinkies back. Warrior Two pose or virabhadrasana 2. So some things to note here. Your front knee is over your front ankle. And you want to be able to see that big toe on the inside of that knee. So if your knee is doing this, go ahead and just pull that knee away from you. You want to press down through that pinky toe edge of that back foot and gaze over your front fingertips. So over the knee that's bent. Beautiful. Hold here, hold strong. Press down through your feet. Think of lifting up through the spine and upper body. Take one more deep breath here. And let's just transition to the other side. So you're going to just cartwheel your hands down. Coming onto that ball joint of that back foot. Plant the hands and step back to your downward facing dog. Beautiful. From here, anchor that right heel behind you. Inhale, slide that left leg up. And then from here, on the exhale, just hug that knee into your chest and place it at the top of your mat. Again, go ahead and pivot that back foot down. Heel to arch alignment. And when you feel ready, press down through your feet and come up to your Warrior Two. So I'm just gonna turn to face you. So Warrior is so great for increasing stamina. It helps to stretch the chest, the lungs, the hips. It strengthens and stretches your legs, your ankles. It helps with the abdominal organs in here. It's really great for lower back pain too, and it's really therapeutic for sciatica. So if you have any of these, like, it does so much. You're gonna get so much out of this pose. So go ahead and take a deep breath in. And then same thing from here. You're gonna just cartwheel your hands down. Step back to your downward facing dog. Just take a breath here. And then as you exhale, just allow those knees to kiss your yoga mat. Swing your legs to one side and come to have a seat on your mat. Close your eyes. Palms can be face down on your knees. Just take a moment to Settle. Even out the breath. And give yourself a little pat on the back for stepping out of your comfort zone today, trying something new, learning the foundations of this incredibly powerful yoga pose. And then guys, if you loved this video, I would love it so much if you would subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button to be notified when I post free content every Wednesday. And do something kind today by sharing this tutorial with a friend who's looking to start their yoga practice. And I will see you guys next week. Bring those hands together and we say Namaste.